How do you make a woman need you? How do you make her stay in the relationship, see you as valuable and important, and focus her attention on the family, the relationship, and you? Who builds this structure in life? Do you build it, or does she build it for you? Based on my experience working with both women and men, I can say this very clearly. Either you build the structure, or she builds it for you. Unfortunately, this is the truth. If I summarize all the conclusions I've reached so far, the picture looks exactly like this. This is a very serious issue, and it is not superficial. It is based on deep, long-term experience. After many years of working with women and men, I see one thing very clearly. If a man gives a woman everything, she begins to analyze him, guide him, and eventually control him. Today was a very important day for me. We did a joint photo shoot and interview for a magazine. There was also a highly respected psychological counselor there. We represented two different perspectives, and everything he said directly confirmed what I have been saying for years. That psychologist works only with women, and all of his clients are women who were once given everything by their partners. The man is gone. There is almost nothing left in the relationship, yet the women are still suffering and unable to let go. He was everything to me. He was the center of my life. I can't live without him. So where were you looking before? Does this happen in marriage as well? Yes, of course it does. And despite that, the woman still cannot leave. This is exactly what confirms what I've been saying. If you are a man who is not selfish but lives for himself, who has his own life, who does what he enjoys, who doesn't fall for manipulation, who doesn't get trapped in female games, who does not hand over his boundaries to anyone, then the woman holds on to you and does not leave. And if, on top of that, you are a man who is desired by other women, if you don't constantly give her money, if you don't meet her every single need, if you don't completely secure her entire background, then things become even more difficult for her. Men who give women everything, they give money. They invest so she can stand on her own feet. They build a business for her. They cover all her needs: cosmetics, cleaners, babysitters, flowers, working day and night for vacations, just working, working, working. And what happens in the end? The woman sends him away. I'm bored. It's not enough. There's not enough attention. There's not enough love. Or the opposite. Everything is too much, but it's still wrong. I can't realize myself. I want a different life. I can't live like this. In reality, there is no true tradition or structure. The woman has built it only in her own mind. The result is very clear. You are either on the horse or under the horse. Either you ride the horse or the horse rides you. And now there is a third reality. Either you give something to the woman or she takes something from you. That's why you must look very carefully. If your family structure looks like this, a good family man, a loyal husband, a self-sacrificing man, in these situations, the probability that a woman will get bored is very high. And over time, she becomes spoiled. Everything you give loses its value, completely. If a woman experiences no lack, not materially, not emotionally, not in service, not in attention, not in effort, then nothing has any value. For a woman to live a life where the sky is full of diamonds, everything does not need to be given. On the contrary, for a long, happy, and balanced relationship, some things must not be given. Because every right a man gives himself, a woman interprets it like this. That means he has power. That means he is confident. That means he is stronger than me. This is coded as power and attraction in a woman's mind. But if a man gives everything, if everything is fine, If there are no boundaries, then this happens. Not enough. Too little. Wrong. Missing. So what should be done to make everything feel sufficient and valuable? Sometimes the only solution is this: taking some things back, creating deprivation from emotions, from actions, from attention and service. For a person to value something, there must be a reference point. A relationship is not something that should be overly sweet. It must be built on the right balance. I explain all of this in detail, what to pay attention to, and how relationships should be structured in my upcoming program and courses. I'll end here today. I hope this was useful for you. If you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments, we would really appreciate it. Never forget this: we are always by your side. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye for now. See you in the next videos.